Hi guys, today in this video we are going to see how to resolve collapsed cones, right, overlap faces and unchecked faces error, right. All these errors are important, right, and we can easily resolve some kinds of error. Or sometimes that overlapping faces are very crucial to remove because it often creates other types of error like triple cones. So we are going to first resolve all these three kinds of error. Now see how we are going to solve that. So let's start by solving the error, right? First go to the geometry and then check the errors, okay? As I have already selected unchecked faces, collapsed cones and overlap faces. So we are going to see all these three one by one. So first thing that we are going to see is overlapping face. So execute this one. Now we are seeing that there is one overlapping face which is over here. Okay, that's good. Now we are going to see only that one. Okay, after getting these faces, this is the overlapped face. So this is error face, means this one is the duplicate of another face. So what you can do in case if you have something's duplicate, you can delete this one, right? So in the similar way, we are also going to delete this face. Now, okay, let's delete this one. You can fix this one from over here or just directly delete this one. Here we are seeing another faces. So we are going to delete all of these two. Now bring back all those CAD models. Okay, this is the auto fit. You can use this one. Now we are going to rerun the check and check whether the overlap face still exists or not. So according to the ANSA, there is no any error or warning regarding the overlap faces. So now we are going to move to the next one, which is the unchecked faces. Okay, there is no any collapsed cones in this model. Okay, in order to confirm, I'm just going to run the check. So rerun it. Here, according to ANSA, we have no any error. So there is no point of checking collapsed cones. Now unchecked faces. Now we are going to check that one. Okay, we have found one unchecked faces, which is this one. Okay, but do you know what? I have resolved many of the unchecked faces error just by refining this one. Okay, if you get any kinds of unchecked faces error, what you can do is go to the length. Okay, but first remember that you are in the mesh tab. Okay, first go to the mesh tab, then go to the perimeter, and from the perimeter select the length, and from there you have two options. Macros means inner surfaces, okay, but this is mostly uh, I think this one is dominant when you are using mesh, right? But in case if you have cat model, you can use perimeter, and from after that one you can just select the model. Okay, after selecting the models, press the middle mouse button here. As I have already said you that I have used two, and that's why I got lot more smaller number of these error. So if you reduce the size, means you if you increase the fineness of the CAD model, then you'll be able to remove all of those phase error, right? So unchecked phase error. And this only arises because there is a coarseness in the CAD model. And due to the coarseness in the CAD model, one surface overlaps with the other face. And due to that reason, they show an error. But this is not a big problem. Okay. I'm not going to reduce the length again because it will take lots of computation time and it will slow my computer. So you can remove your errors in this way. Just keep in mind, if you have any problems, just comment. Okay. Now in the next video we are going to see the triple cones in detail.